Okay, I'm actually pretty nervous for today's video. That is my dog. I'm also in kind of a hurry. I'll go more into this, I guess, when I'm where I need to be. But today's video, I'm going to be bleaching my hair at home. Now, I am going around to my auntie's, but I will get into that now. Obviously, I feel like if you know me or have followed me at all, my hair journey has been like a big thing for me. Like, I've literally been growing my hair. I'm just gonna brighten this up a bit. For like 2 years, I haven't bleached it in like, God, probably nearly 3 years at this stage. I did get highlights, so that is bleach, but my hair has been super healthy for ages. Now, the video, it is sponsored, and I was sent the products for free, so I don't want people to be watching this and be like, oh, she's just saying this because... No, I actually wanted to go and bleach my hair anyways. After I got the highlights the last time, I just feel like it takes the color a lot better, and I was thinking about it, and I got the email, and first of all, at first I was like, oh, I just don't know how I feel about bleaching my hair at home. And then I looked more into the brand and the actual product itself, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. But I've also googled what not to do when you're bleaching your hair, basically. So first of all, I'll go in and show you, I'll show you this more. So the product is called Pureplex. It is by Knight and Wilson, and basically the idea of this bleach is that it protects, like it's got bond protection in it, so it actually is supposed to protect your hair while you're bleaching it. So that's the product. And then the 9 mistakes, I'll go into them. I'll just give you one of them now. So one of them basically says bleaching your hair alone. That's one of the biggest mistakes and most common mistakes when bleaching your hair. So I asked, would anyone be able to help me? And my auntie is free this morning, so she said she's gonna give me a hand. So I'm going around there now. So I'll go through a few more bits, I guess, when I'm around there. Okay, so I'm here at my auntie's now. Do you want She's Hi. So she's gonna help me because I just don't want my hair to fall out. So I'm gonna finish going through those things that I was saying are like the biggest mistakes that people make when bleaching their hair. So one of the biggest ones, it says here, is getting started before you have what you need. So I'm gonna go through everything that comes in this box, which I'm pretty sure is everything that you need. So let me see, it says it on the box as well. So you have your lightening cream, which is this. I'll show it. Sorry, the lighting's bad, I didn't bring my ring light. That's the lightening cream. And then we have the bond protecting additive. Where is that? Okay, so that is this. So I presume that's like what protects your hair when you're obviously doing the bleach. And then the cream developer, which is this, which is like standard bleach. Like, I even know that from just like doing my eyebrows last year. There's clarifying shampoo, so you actually get like shampoo and conditioner in here as well. So let me just take it out. So that's the shampoo, and then you get the bond reconstructing hair treatment, and it says there's the conditioner as well. That's like a treatment conditioner as well. So I mean, it all sounds pretty hair healthy, so that's why I think I trust it. And so that's all the stuff for the actual hair. And then you also get an applicating brush, which is like handy because the amount of times I have actually just put color in with my hair, with my hands, which is like not ideal. And then what else? Oh, there's a highlighting cap, which I don't think I'll need because I'm just gonna go a full head of bleach, but it's handy if you were using this set to highlight your hair as well. Oh yeah, obviously a mixing tray and a pair of gloves. So that's everything that comes with it. So as I said, the biggest mistake that some people make is not having everything that they need, but like you literally get everything I think that you need in here. So the other one is like not reading the instructions. I'm personally terrible at reading instructions, so that's why I have Siobhan to help me, because I feel like she'll be better at reading the instructions than me. Skipping the strand test step, I think I'm gonna skip that because my hair has been bleached before, so I think I'll be fine. If you're doing it on your own especially as well, definitely recommend that. Leaving the bleach on too long, or bleaching your hair alone was the one after that, but I've spoken about that. And then leaving the bleach on too long, again, that's why I have Siobhan to help me, because I'd be freaked that I would do do that, and I think that's what causes the most damage, isn't it, when you leave bleach on too long. And then bleaching hair that has already been bleached, mine is highlighted underneath, but we're gonna start at the roots so that like it doesn't get damaged and it isn't on the already bleached hair like for too long. And then bleaching damaged or over processed hair, so I feel like that's when, you know, when you see people who constantly bleach their hair and it always like it just looks so dry and unhealthy, I think that's what that means. Mine is super healthy at the moment, and that's also why I wasn't afraid to say yes to this, because I was like, my hair is super healthy, so it should be fine. And then it says skipping the toner, so I have a color that I'm probably gonna pop in afterwards, which should tone it anyway. So yeah, gonna get started now. I'll show you when we start.
Okay, everything goes into the bowl.
So this is the developing cream.
That's the developer, yeah, the cream. That's the bond, the protective. Obviously the bond protect. So nice and creamy. There we go.
So that's what it needs to look like when you're finished mixing the three. So put my little towel on to protect my clothes. Oh, I should show my hair before. I'm gonna just show what my hair is like before. Okay, so this is sectioning the hair, obviously to make sure that you get all of the hair so that it's not like patchy in part. Patchy bleach wouldn't be cute.
So I realised while I was editing I never actually spoke you through the sectioning. So this is called the hot cross bun sectioning. It basically splits the hair into 4. I'll insert a little diagram as well, but basically just means that you get all of the hair covered. So I'm just showing it from the back here too. Bye.
Okay, so I got Siobhan to do the back because I didn't want to miss any bits at the back, and I have quite thick hair. So the back is done. Also, it's quicker, I think, to get someone to help you because I've dyed my own hair before and it takes ages, and with bleach that can just be dangerous. So that's why it's also good to get someone to help you. But I'm going to do a few around the front now. Okay, so my gloves are on. So I'm taking really thin sections, and then I'm gonna take the brush and just go from the root. So that's to where my hair was already coloured. If someone didn't have colour in their hair, go from mid-length to ends and then do the roots. The hair takes quicker at the roots. There we go. And then I just put that back, yeah. So I'm gonna take the next piece then. And again, just go from the root to the middle of where my hair is coloured. Okay, so all of my roots are done, and the bleach kit actually ran out. Now I have really thick hair, so I kind of actually had a feeling that would happen. Even when I was asking for the colour that I have after, I asked for 2. So I probably should have asked for 2 of the bleach kit as well, because I knew I was going to be doing my full head. But luckily Siobhan has some bleach that we're going to use just to finish off the ends, because otherwise my hair would look really weird. I just thought I would let you know, if you have thick hair or even long hair, I guess, like my hair is quite long and thick at the moment, which is probably why I definitely needed to. I just wanted to put that in case anyone has long hair and then it's like, why didn't this cover my full hair or like thick hair? So yeah, I'll come back when the full head is done. My whole head is now covered in bleach. I look like Eminem. Okay, so about to rinse this now. It's definitely lifted loads. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do basically at the sink. So we have the clarifying shampoo here. So this is the instructions. So it basically just says to like, obviously like get all the bleach out first and then use this shampoo. There it is. And then there is the bond reconstructing treatment, which is obviously the thing that's like gonna protect your hair. So that's this. So you do that after the shampoo, and then there's the conditioning treatment, And then I was gonna do the purple, but it's actually a lot darker than I wanted. I wanted it like a pastel-y, but you have to get a pastelizing thing, so I think I'll leave that for a few weeks. So Siobhan just has her own toner here that we're just gonna pop in, so I'll be able to show you after. The roots really lifted, didn't they?
They did, yeah. The ends not as well, but that's, you can see where you've got the colour build up on the ends, and that's the problem.
Okay, so this is how my root lifted. This is without a toner, obviously. So like the ends are, sorry, I can't talk today. The ends are obviously a bit darker, but I had obviously pink in my hair before, but I think the root lifted really well. But we were just saying there, it would like this kind of, I'll probably go through this as well when my hair is done, but like it'd probably be better for like balayage or just highlights than like an all over bleach. I just wanted it for that. So oh my god, it actually is really bright, isn't it? So this is obviously wet. I'll show you when it's dry. Okay, I'm literally sitting in my mom's bathroom right now because every other room in my house, the lighting and how I look is giving me anxiety. Anyway, I just wanted to close out this video. So you saw my hair the other day in all its glory straight after a blow dry. It is a bit minging now. Got caught in the rain shortly after that blow dry, and then also like it's just been wear and tear. It's been windy, it's been coronavirusy. So yeah, and I'm obviously trying not to use heat on it after like bleaching it. And also one thing that when I started my whole hair journey, one thing I learned that's really good for your hair is to try and only wash it once, maximum twice a week. So that was only on Wednesday, so I'll probably leave it until at least Monday before I wash it. I mean, tomorrow's Sunday, so that's fine. Just wanted to close off the video and kind of talk more a little bit about the product itself. So as I said earlier on in the video, I definitely think I would recommend this if you wanted to, you know, do a few like strips like here. I know a lot of people do those. Can't deal with the grease. A lot of people do those little strips in their hair, and at the moment it's like a big trend. For balayage it would be good. To be honest, even for highlights it would probably be good too. I actually think like the lift on the bleach was really good. Now I definitely think the toner that me and Siobhan used really helped, because my hair was, you can kind of see like it was quite like brassy and orange. So I don't think I explained it very well in the video. We did the shampoo, and then we did the toner, and then another shampoo, and then the bond reconstructing treatment and the conditioner. Now, oh, I just got like a sharp pain in my rib. Coronavirus. But one thing I will say is, and that's what I think makes this a really good product, I always do this when I'm on video, put my hair behind my ear and it looks fucking ugly. One thing I will say is, so obviously the purpose of this product, I think it's kind of a bit like Olaplex. So it does say on the thing, it protects against damage and breakage, rebuilds the hair natural structure, and restores strength and supplies volume. And I personally definitely think the bond reconstructing treatment and the bond additive in the bleach has definitely helped my hair. Like normally after a few years ago, if I got a bleach, like I'd kind of have bits of breakage and stuff around my hair, but I don't think I actually had any of that. There is a few bits like where I had like purple in my hair at like before Christmas. There's a few kind of bits where like color was stuck, but other than that, I think overall my hair lifted really well. So overall I would absolutely 100% recommend that product. I probably wouldn't recommend bleaching your full head of hair yourself. As I said in the video, I actually think now, after using a box bleach myself, I would probably, if I had someone to help me do the back and stuff, I would probably do it completely by myself if I just had someone to help me see the back, especially if it was just a root touch up or something, because I'm so impressed with the product, I have to say. And I definitely think like even before we used the bond treatment after the shampoo, like the bleach was literally like sticking all my hair together, and that treatment was what made the brush actually go through it. And then, as I said, like my hair felt so soft afterwards. One other thing which I did also mention in the video is this was not enough for my full head. So this little kit would be perfect, as I said again, if you're doing the little strips at the front, or like even a balayage. But if you're gonna go full scalp bleach, definitely if your hair is like my length and thickness, or a bit longer, or maybe like longer but thinner, like I would definitely go for 2 boxes, maybe even 3, because even the bleach that Siobhan had, like we kind of had to keep adding to it. Like my hair just like swallowed the bleach. So yeah, I would take that into consideration. That's basically it. So yeah, what I will do is I'll leave links down below for where you can find the Pureplex, and it is available to buy in Superdrug as well, and I will leave the website down below and all the social media handles so that you can go and have a look for yourself. And yeah, I guess I keep seeing posts that are like, if you're at home for coronavirus lockdown, don't box dye your hair. But I honestly couldn't recommend it more, and I think I'm going to do the Colour Freedom Purple over the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.